Do I need to say my name, or that doesn't matter?
So I'm looking at you.
Yeah, let's do
oh,
that.
then I was like, okay.
So what's so different about Diem? Well, I'd say I don't have to waste so much of my time trying to find jobs.
My friend told me about this app.
You see exactly what jobs are in your area. And there's simple tasks like
Plumbing, putting in a new sink.
Shovel someone's driveway, mow their lawn, or even paint their walls.
you pretty much open the app, you have all the jobs in your area.
I just get a notification on my app, and I go like, oh, okay, let's do it.
I really like being my own boss with Diem.
And also the fact that, the moment I'm done the job, I get my payment.
It comes right to me on my phone.
How much did I make from the app last week?
It can be anywhere from like
500.
I got so many moving jobs using this app that I just started getting some of my friends together, and we just started making our own company after that.
Honestly, a really simple idea. I don't even know why we didn't think about it at first.
I'm a little surprised that I was like one of the last ones to know about this app.
We need extra work, right?
Make some money.